guys, today is kind of a doggy kind of day. I've got a lot of things to do today with my doggies. They both need a bath, and I just got through taking them for a walk, so we're gonna give out treats and stuff. So I just figured I would do like a doggy day, kind of very casual doggy day today. I'm sorry I have no makeup on my face. Some days you just don't feel like doing makeup. So sorry if I look awful, but you know, sometimes we don't want to do makeup, especially when we're having doggy day. Harley is filthy as filthy can be. They both need a bath, and so that's the plan today, is take the girls to play. Harley's trying to get in the treat bag. Take the girls to play, which I just did. Give the girls a bath, and I'm gonna give them a snack. Harley, get out of there. I'm gonna give them a snack and some fresh water, food, and I gotta clean up after them because Boo Boo, our little mama, is not, probably quit, is not potty trained. This one is not potty trained. She's older and she has accidents, so I gotta clean up after her this morning. And I usually change probably some puppy pads and stuff like that. So that's what we're doing today. We're having doggy day. So if you like watching doggies, then keep watching. Okay, who wants a treat? Who used the potty outside and who wants a treat? Funny fact, Harley she acts like a piranha. As soon as I put the treat out, she's like a vulture. Okay, sometimes I have to bend my fingers back with the treat because I'm afraid she's going to take off her finger. So, okay, she was a little bit softer that time, but usually it's like crazy. Boo Boo, on the other hand, I think she's actually going blind in her left eye. I'm not sure. That's what everybody keeps telling me, because her eye is getting lighter and lighter in her left side of her eye. So she needs to get that checked out. She has so many health problems. Yeah. So Boo Boo has a lot of problems. Harley's healthy as a horse. So I'm gonna give Boo Boo her treat. Sometimes she's really picky and she just won't take it. But Harley, you had a treat earlier, and now you think you can have Boo Boo's treats? It's joking me. It is super cold outside today, guys. I don't know what it's like where y'all live, but it is very cold outside. So I'm gonna give you one more and Boo Boo one more, and then we're gonna have fun in the bathtub. Actually, Harley is the worst at taking a bath. Boo Boo loves it. She enjoys it. She just sits there and soaks. And she doesn't move. She just really enjoys it. She is like putting a cat in water. If you've ever put a cat in water, that's Harley. So I'm kind of not looking forward to giving Harley a bath, but she really, really needs it because they have not been to the groomers in a couple months. So Harley really, really needs a bath. You're not taking Boo Boo's treat. That's enough treats. So I'm going to get them some fresh water, clean up after them today, which I do every day, but I just figured I'd film it today. Who wants water? No, I'm gonna have that. These are pretty good on food, but I'll give y'all a little bit more. I think this is like salmon flavored or something, some type of fish flavored, and it is potent. There's your food, your water, you had your treats, you had your walk. Okay, now, we having a doggy day? Woohoo, doggy days! Okay, so we're gonna go clean up after the girls. Fun times. Love cleaning up after dogs. That was sarcasm. Okay, so it's very dark in here because Harrison's taking a nap. That's where I keep Harley's puppy pads. And these are all Harley's toys. She loves toys. These are their beds. They got a new bed for Christmas, but those are in the family room. This is the living room. And those are all Harley's toys because Boo Boo doesn't play with toys. Okay, so I'm just going to clean up this little area. Because like I said, today's doggy day, so we're just cleaning up after the dogs. And I'm sure as soon as I put these up, Harley will get them back out because that's what Harley does. Clean. Toya. Is there any toys on the side, girls? No. Here's some slippers. Okay. Now I'm gonna remove the puppy pads. These haven't been used, so those are fine. I'll just add two more puppy. Okay. I've been out of breath lately, you guys. Okay, that's Harley's situation. Now let's go to Boo Boo's. The Swiffer wet jet, that's what I use. It's just easier for me because I have to do this at least twice a day. And it's just easier for me to doing all my doggy chores. Now I'm fixing to give the girls a bath. Harley is the hardest one to give a bath to. Oh my god. It's like putting a cat in water, I swear. It's so stressful. I'm going to need like 5 towels. I'm going to have to hold her down. It's going to look brutal, but she needs a bath. And Boo, our little mama, is so easy. You just like sit her in the water. She's so relaxed. She doesn't move. She's like super happy in there. And I think she likes the pampering. Harley does not. I need some more paper towels. Okay, so, but yeah, so basically today is just going to be about the doggies. So I know a lot of you guys want to see the dogs more, and so I thought, you know, I don't really have a whole lot on my plans today, so I was like, well, why not just do a vlog of the dogs? So that's what I'm doing. I might have some other things later on this afternoon. If I do, I'll add those to this video, but okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take my Tylenol, my heart medication. before I forget, because I know this day is going to get busy taking care of the dogs, and it's already like after lunch, and if I don't take it now, I'll forget. So I'm going to go take this arsenal. That's good too. Even though it's a little watered down, it's so good. Okay, I got that taken care of. I haven't been taking aspirin because, if you guys saw my last video, I told you guys I wasn't sure if I was pregnant or not pregnant, and I've just decided to kind of hand it over to God. I'm not going to dwell on it. I feel like if it was meant to be, it was meant to be. If it's not, it's not. I grieved for a couple days. I'm feeling better. I still don't know, obviously, if I miscalculated my period. I might start my period next week, or if maybe it was a chemical pregnancy. There's no way for me to know if it was a chemical pregnancy, you know, obviously. It's just, most people don't even know they have a chemical pregnancy. But since I was testing and it showed the line, I know some people said they didn't see a line, but I promise you, like, there was a line. It was a very light line. So I don't know about all that, but with one thing you're not supposed to do if you could be pregnant is take aspirin. Aspirin is really bad for the first trimester, probably for the whole pregnancy, but I know for sure for the first trimester aspirin is really bad for you. Bad for the baby, bad for the baby. And since I don't know 100%, I've been avoiding taking aspirin, and my tooth is killing me, and aspirin is the only thing that helps with that. So I'm kind of struggling on that, but I should know for sure next week if I get my period, if I don't get my period, like what's going on. I should know, and I'm going to do an updated video for you guys to let you guys know the whole situation with the house move, the whole situation with the pregnancy. I'll do like a life update or something. If you guys see that video, make sure to check it out, and then you'll know what's going on with me, like with the house, because a lot of people are asking me, am I still moving? As you can see, we still have tons of boxes all over my house. My house is chaos. So yeah, so you will get a life update from me. I'll try to do it, and I've been really bloated lately. I don't know if you can tell. I've been bloated. That's another reason why I thought, you know, because, you know, for a while I was losing weight from eating all the right foods and stuff. Now I'm super bloated, and I didn't know if it was because I was pregnant, or maybe fixing to start, or maybe it was because I was pregnant. I don't know. These are things I don't know. But like I said, you will get an updated video or a life update video from me soon as I find out what is going on with my body and what is going on with the house. You guys will be the first to know. Okay, enough about all that. I feel like I'm going in circles. Let's go ahead and take care of the doggies, because that's what today's about. Okay, I'm going to turn the water off, and I'm going to run and get a cup, because I forgot to get a cup. Because I usually have to get a little cup and pour over them. You know, it's just easier to wash their hair and stuff like that. So let me go get them and go get a cup. Wish me luck on this. Usually I have Harrison tail, he's asleep, so I'm going to try to do this on my own. Look how soft and clean Harley is. She had a bath today, and for some reason I lost the bath footage, and I was super pissed. I don't know what happened to it, but she's silky clean. I love how they feel when after they have a bath. They're just so soft. So she's taking a nappy. Her's tired. Who had a lot of stuff to do today. Look how soft and pretty and clean she is. Oh, so soft and clean. And then Boo Boo is in her little pink dress right there in her bed, and she's so soft and clean. That's so cute. She's so tired. They're both tired. They had a long day. They had a long day of pampering, and so I just wanted to show you guys how cute they were. Got the family here. Here's Boo-Boo. She's all pretty and clean from her bath today. Chipotle for dinner. Starbucks chai latte for dessert. Oh my gosh, they fill this sucker up. Look at that. That is a lot of food. Lily left me. She went to lie on her bed. So I'm going to eat my Chipotle and enjoy my night with my honeys over here. You don't want to be shown. At least wave. Can I see your hand? No! Okay. So we're fixing to watch some TV. I'm going to finish my food. He's already ate his. And I'm going to end this vlog. So I'll see you guys in my next one. And if you guys enjoyed this vlog, make sure to be subscribed to my channel. He's making fun of me. Make sure to be subscribed to this channel. Click the notification bell. And please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. Leave comments down below so we can chat. Bye guys. Love you.